Project is going to be on the tundra biome. It is done by myself, Dylan Shahusky, and Trajan Krupinski. First thing we are going to talk about is the climate. The winters are very long and cold. The temperatures can fall to negative 50 degrees Fahrenheit. The fall and spring are so short that they are not even classified as seasons, meaning that the tundra has two main seasons, being winter and summer. The summer lasts about 2 months, with the average temperature being between 37 to 54 degrees Fahrenheit. It rains very little in the tundra, less than 10 inches a year, and it is considered to be the coldest and driest biome out of them all. In the summer, days last around 24 hours, meaning that the sun is shining for almost the whole day for a 2 month span. Plants in the tundra. A few plants in the tundra are the Labrador tea, diamond leaf, Arctic moss, and Arctic willow. All these plants have to be able to grow under snow or permafrost, carry out photosynthesis in the cold temperatures, and produce flowers quickly when the summer comes around. Again, their time to produce is very, very short because summer is only 2 months. There are about 1,700 kinds of plants found in the tundra. If you look at the picture on the right, you will see a picture of a Labrador tea. And if you look closely, you can notice the hair-like stem it has. That stem heats the plant and protects it from the very cold environment. An odd fact about this plant is that it cannot be consumed. Animals in the tundra. Just like the plants, animals have to be able to adapt to the cold environments of the tundra. These animals need shelter and insulation. They usually have thicker and warmer feathers or fur. Most animals have larger bodies with shorter legs, arms, and tails, which help them retain heat and prevent heat loss. A good example of the warmer and thicker feathers would be the snowy owl, and it actually blends right in with the snow. Another example of the thicker and warmer fur now would be the musk ox. Something odd about the musk ox, though, is one of their adaptations to survive in the cold environment is to travel in groups, so they have the group heat keeping them warm. Tundra soils are classified as gelossols. These soils freeze and thaw a lot, making the soil unstable. This buckling of the soil forms trees at weird angles and generates building issues. The buildings will actually start forming on weird angles too because of how unstable this soil is. Tundra soils are formed at high latitudes and they are poor in nutrients, and the soil forms very slowly from the permafrost. Surprisingly, though, the large portion of soil organic matter is found in the tundra. This makes the tundra vital for the carbon cycle. The reason that the tundra has this organic matter is that it is too cold for decomposition, so living things get trapped in the soil. This is a bar graph of the average temperature per month. As you can see, 7 out of the 12 months are below 0 degrees Fahrenheit, with July, August, and September being the hottest months of the year for them in the tundra. And this is the average precipitation in the tundra. As you can see, January, February, March, and April get 0 millimeters of precipitation. May picks it up a little bit to 10 millimeters of precipitation. June, July, and August are all the same at 30 millimeters of precipitation. And then it starts trending back downwards, with September being at 20 and October and November being at 10 millimeters, with December back at 0. This just goes to show you how little rainfall they actually get in the tundra. And that concludes this presentation. Thank you.